How to control the CPU fan on Windows 11. How one can manage the CPU fan on home Windows 11. Home Windows 11 does not present built-in instruments for monitoring or customizing CPU fan pace. You should flip to one among three various strategies to regulate the CPU fan on home Windows 11. We suggest utilizing first-party software program. This is not potential for each home Windows 11 PC, nonetheless, so we'll count all three choices. Use first-party software program. Fashionable computer systems are sometimes suitable with proprietary software program to allows you to change the CPU fan pace. That is the quickest, best answer, however you will need to obtain the proper software program. Use BIOS. Most PCs ship with a BIOS which might show the present pace of your CPU fan, whereas extra feature-rich BIOS will allow you to change the fan pace. You'll be able to accomplish this without downloading software program, however it may be advanced. Use a third-party utility. Third-party utilities are able to detecting the pace of your CPU fan. Just a few even allow you to change it. These utilities work on all kinds of hardware, however you could encounter bugs and compatibility points. By no means set CPU fan pace to 0. Most CPUs aren't designed to function without energetic cooling and can overheat. Harm can happen when the fan is at 0. How one can manage the CPU fan with first get-together software program. First-party software program is developed by your PC producer, or the producer of your PC's motherboard, to be used with particular hardware. It is going to work without compatibility points and is usually the least troublesome to make use of. Decide the producer and mannequin of your home Windows 11 PC. In case your home Windows 11 PC is a customized construct, then decide the producer and mannequin of your PC's motherboard. Having hassle discovering the producer and mannequin of your PC? Search for a serial quantity printed on the underside or rear of the PC. If you cannot discover a label, strive downloading a free system information tool. Go to the help website maintained by the producer of your PC and seek for your PC mannequin. Many websites additionally allow you to search by serial quantity or perhaps a by quantity, when you have it. Open the downloads part on the help web page devoted to the mannequin of your PC and search for its system utility. Obtain the utility. Most PC producers bundle fan management right into a system management or overclocking utility. Frequent examples embrace Alienware Command Center, ASUS AI Suite, and MSI Afterburner. Set up and open the utility and search for fan pace management. For instance, opening settings in MSI Afterburner's menu and choosing the fan tab will show fan management choices. Most software program shows fan pace settings as a share of most. A price of 100 is the fan's highest setting, whereas a price of 0 is the bottom. Greater fan settings cool higher however are louder, whereas decreased settings supply much less cooling however create much less noise. How one can manage the CPU fan with BIOS. BIOS is the rudimentary working system in your PC's motherboard. The BIOS software program begins once you activate the PC. Most BIOS allow you to view or customize CPU fan pace. Shut down your PC. As soon as the shutdown is full, flip the PC again on after which instantly faucet the shortcut that launches BIOS settings in your PC. This may differ between PCs, however most settle for the F2, F12, or delete keys. Search for a menu possibility that shows fan settings. This differs between motherboards, however it's typically proven underneath PC well-being, superior, or overclocking. Should you're fortunate, fan pace settings could already be seen on the primary menu proven. BIOS will usually categorical fan pace settings as a share of most. A price of 100 is the fan's highest setting, whereas a price of 0 is the bottom. Change the settings as desired, then save and exit. How one can manage the CPU fan with third get-together software program. Third-party software program is developed by a celebration apart from the producer of your PC. It has the good thing about engaged on a variety of PCs, However, you are extra more likely to encounter it not working completely. It might run simply effective, in fact. Obtain and set up third-party fan management software program. Well-liked choices embrace SpeedFan, Argus Monitor, and Fan Control. Open the software program. Search for fan or fan management. Fan pace will usually be proven as a price between 100 and 0. The place a price of 100 is the fan's highest setting, whereas a price of 0 is the bottom. Change the settings as desired, then save and exit. By no means set CPU fan pace to 0. Most CPUs aren't designed to function without energetic cooling and can overheat.